Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best folding patio table is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving additions you can make to your outdoor living area, especially if you're working with limited square footage. Whether you're looking to enjoy a morning coffee on your balcony, host a small gathering with friends, or simply need a convenient surface for your gardening tools, a compact folding table offers an elegant solution that can be easily stored away when not in use, transforming your patio or deck back into an open space in seconds. This review will dive deep into what makes a folding patio table truly stand out, ensuring you find the perfect blend of functionality, durability, and style for your needs. Number 5. Best Choice Products 6 Feet Folding Table. This table boasts a strong, easy-to-clean surface, made with high-quality plastic that's thicker and holds more weight than other brands. You can confidently place all your food, drinks, and more on it. Its versatile design makes it perfect for any occasion. Use it as a dining or game table for outdoor cookouts or parties, or as a convenient serving or display table for indoor events. Powder-coated steel legs, framed joint locks, and non-slip rubber feet ensure it stays firmly in place. You can rely on its stability throughout your event. The foldable design includes a side lock and handle, making it incredibly easy to take with you or store away. It folds compactly for convenient storage when not in use. No assembly required. Simply unfold it, lock the legs for stability, and your table is ready to go. It's designed for immediate use right out of the box. What we like. This table boasts an exceptionally thick and durable plastic top, capable of holding up to 300 pounds. If you're hosting large gatherings, need a sturdy surface for heavy items, or require a reliable table for frequent outdoor events like parties or camping, this is an excellent choice due to its robust construction and high weight capacity. What people say. The plastic is thicker and looks more durable. The metal parts are well welded. The locking mechanism of the legs slides easily and is designed to eliminate any possibility of losing it. It is sturdy, easy to set up and pleasant to look at. Because it is 4 foot x 2 feet, you can actually fit 2 folding chairs on each side for games or more socializing. Number 4. Adams Manufacturing Quick Fold Side Table. Introducing the Quick Fold Side Table from Adams Manufacturing. It's the perfect companion for your outdoor seating. Its ideal size complements patio chairs, Adirondacks, or chaise lounges, providing a convenient surface right where you need it. Don't let its lightweight design fool you. It's rated to hold up to 25 pounds, offering reliable support for your drinks or belongings. Crafted from durable resin, this table is designed to withstand the elements. It won't peel, rust, or rot, ensuring long-lasting use. When not in use, it folds quickly and compactly, making storage a breeze. Save space without sacrificing convenience. Featuring a UV inhibitor, its patriotic blue color stays bright and attractive, even after prolonged exposure to the sun. What we like. This is a compact side table made from durable resin that won't peel, rust, or rot, and its colors stay bright thanks to UV inhibitors. If you're looking for a small, low-maintenance table to perfectly complement your patio chairs or loungers, and you want something that will maintain its attractive appearance season after season, this is the one for you. What people say. Well engineered and made well to tight tolerances for a molded plastic product. Appearance, density, surface texture of the plastic is consistent with recycled materials. The table is large enough and sturdy enough for a couple of beverages and a couple of plates of food. It is lightweight and folds flat. So it was perfect for reducing weight and space for all the gear we have to haul around for our gigs. Number 3. COSCO Outdoor Living 6 Feet Folding Picnic Table. Gather your friends and family. This outdoor table comfortably seats up to 8 people, making it perfect for any occasion. Built to last, it features a stable steel frame and a wood grain resin top that resists weather, stains, and UV rays. Plus, it's splinter-free for safe enjoyment. Stay cool and shaded on sunny days. An integrated umbrella hole allows you to easily add shade for extra comfort. Don't worry about spills or messes. The durable surfaces are a breeze to wipe clean, ensuring it always looks its best. When the fun is over, it folds flat to just 3 inches high. This makes storage and transport incredibly simple. Designed for heavy use, it supports up to 800 pounds per bench and 700 pounds on the tabletop. You can rely on its strength. What we like. This picnic table is designed to comfortably seat up to 8 people and features a weather-resistant steel frame with a stylish wood grain resin top and benches. If you often host larger outdoor gatherings and need a dedicated, stable seating and table solution, or if you enjoy dining al fresco and want the option to add an umbrella for shade, this table is ideal. What people say. Great size for their family of 6. It's nice for them to fold up and put away for winter. Very sturdy, plenty of room and folds easy for storage. Table opens easily for setup. Great size. Easy to clean, fold, and store. Strong and durable. Number 2. HAPPYGRILL Folding Outdoor Side Table. Introducing a versatile outdoor side table designed for your convenience. Its innovative folding mechanism makes setup and storage a breeze, perfect for any outdoor setting. Enjoy the beauty of its ripple design tempered glass tabletop. It's not only elegant but also incredibly durable and scratch resistant, ensuring it stays looking great for years to come. Built with a reinforced steel frame, this table offers exceptional stability and resistance to bending and deformation. The powder coating ensures it withstands the elements and resists rust. Whether on your balcony, by the pool, or in your garden, this table is a perfect fit. Its premium weather resistance makes it ideal for outdoor use, and it's even suitable for indoor spaces. Forget complicated assembly. This table comes ready to use right out of the box. Simply unfold it and enjoy, and cleaning is as easy as wiping it down with a damp cloth. Designed with anti-slip foot pads, it protects your floors and the ground from scratches. Enjoy its sturdy build and reliable performance wherever you place it. What we like. This side table features a high-grade tempered glass tabletop with an elegant ripple design and a reinforced steel frame, plus it folds quickly and requires no assembly. If you appreciate a touch of elegance in your outdoor space, need a stable yet portable side table for drinks or snacks on your balcony or by the pool, and value the convenience of immediate use and easy maintenance, this is a great option. What people say. It is sturdy and good-looking. The plan originally was to only use it outside, but due to the fact that it folds for storage so easily, we will end up using it inside as well. Great little table, very sturdy. I have it on the beach for over a year. It has not rusted. This is a perfect little table. It is very stable. The metal is not cheap. The glass is not thin. It cleans very easily. Number 1. Atlantic Daisy Tray Table. Introducing the Atlantic Daisy Tray Table, a stylish and functional addition to your home. Its unique design makes it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. This charming daisy patterned metal top tray is ideal for providing extra table space, whether you're entertaining guests indoors or enjoying your patio outdoors. Designed for convenience, it features a removable top tray and foldable metal legs. Setup is quick, and it saves space when not in use. Crafted with heavy-duty, all-metal construction, it's powder-coated and UV tested for durability in any weather. Excess water drains easily from the daisy pattern top. The folding legs come pre-assembled. Simply unfold, stabilize, place the top tray, and it's ready for immediate use. Measuring 18.125 wide by 18.125 deep and 23.625 high, this table is lightweight at just 4.2 pounds, making it easy to move around. What we like. This table offers a unique daisy-patterned metal top tray that can be removed and used separately, all supported by a heavy-duty, all-metal construction that's UV-coated for all-weather use. If you're looking for a versatile and decorative piece that can serve as a side table or a portable tray, and you appreciate a durable, weather-resistant design that folds away neatly, this is a charming and practical choice. What people say. Love that the top comes off to use as a server. No screws involved, you just unfold and place tray on top. Very easy. The legs are easy to open and close, and the top just rests right on top. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.